What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I talked about BTD in a number of videos, right? But a lot of people don't understand where the potential can be, right? I talk about potential in so many of my cryptocurrency videos, whether it's Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Solana, Gitcoin, whatever those positions are, I'm showing you what the potential is. So why haven't I showed you what the potential is of BTD, right? So this is what I'm going to do in this video, show you what the full potential of it is as we do see everything fit in the right area, have those puzzle pieces fit in just nicely, just right. We're going to talk about this in this video, what the potential is, and, just break down where my thoughts are for this and how we will see this going forward. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want updates on BTD, feel free to follow me on Twitter. I will give updates on that and give updates on Shiba Inu and every other coin that I could get. Also, if you guys want to burn Shiba Inu, feel free to check out my Let It Burn channel, where I am going to be burning Shiba Inu every single day, 1 to 2 uploads every day. Once we do officially get monetized, we will burn every single month on probably the 22nd of every month. So definitely check all of that out. But what we're here for is this position right here, BTD. Currently with 131 addresses in total. Let's see if that updated. 130 addresses in total. So we had a transaction where something came out. But we also have 150,000 BTD. But what you don't understand is that 150,000 BTD is not out there. Thank you, Maxine. Is that Maxine? Max? I can't see the name. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. But what you don't understand is that less than 150,000 BTD is actually out there. But we're going to do this calculation based on 150,000 BTD and not what I actually put out in circulation. So we can see here, if we go over here, we have the chart, we have where the price is, we have where the market cap is. And currently at $1.93, we're almost $1.94. You see a $290,000 market cap, which is amazing to see, to have any type of market cap. But we all know when we look at the market cap, we start to picture what it could be based on other, market caps that are out there, other coins that are at specific levels. And just understanding where this can get to on average, right, really shows you a high amount of potential as long as the growth remains consistent, as long as the people that are in it remain consistent. And the thing is, you could do whatever you want with your position. If you buy into it and you sell at $10, then that's great. If you buy into it and you sell at $100, that's great. But we can see a lot of growth, and I'm going to show you exactly what this potential is. So if I go into my potential spreadsheet, right, I have right here, instead of Dogecoin Mars, let's go ahead and change this to BTD. And that's what we're going to look at here is BTD. We have all of the things filled out. So 150,000 supply. We have where the price is right now, $1.93. It's a little over that, but we'll leave it at $1.93. Let's put these decimal places where they should be. Let's say right there. And if we were looking at even or just round numbers, right? If we see it at $5, we would see a $750,000 market cap. Now, is that a lot? It sounds like a lot, but compared to some other market caps that are out there, maybe some ones that are in the millions, some ones that are in the billions, we can see that Shiba Inu is at 12 billion. I'm not saying that it's going to get to Shiba Inu like levels, but let's say it can get to not even half of that, not even a quarter of that, right? It can get to just millions of dollars of market caps, right? And that's what we're starting to deal with when we get to higher numbers on BTD. So currently, if you're looking at BTD, let's go ahead and increase this size. If you're looking at BTD, you can see that if we even get to $10, we're still only looking at a $1.5 million market cap, which sounds amazing to me. If we can get to a point to where this coin is worth $1.5 million as a whole, where a bunch of people are holding it, believe in what it can be, and see the burns that are taking place and all that stuff, that would be amazing. That would be $10 per coin. Which would be phenomenal for holders. Anybody that bought in at 19 cents or 16 cents, you're gaining a ton out of that. And you probably, especially if you bought in maybe 10,000 coins, what are you seeing? You're seeing a decent size gain, a really, really big gain from that level. So what does that mean for the rest, right? We go to $100 per coin. That's still only a $15 million market cap, which again sounds phenomenal, but it's not to a point to where it even competes with some of these other coins or even gets close to competing with some of these other coins. It can't even tie these other coins' shoes at this point, seeing it at $15 million market cap. So let's see it at a level to where maybe it can get to a $30 million market cap. $200 per coin will be amazing. I think that's a level that it can settle at for a while, but you obviously have to see the growth. You have to see the people that get into it and look to support the coin as it does move forward. And obviously with more and more movement, we see everything else that take place. Now, I don't know how long this will take to end up getting to that point, but a $30 million market cap is basically nothing, you know, compared to a lot of these other coins that are out there. On the top like 3,000th list, it's probably 3,000th. Like, it is very low on the list when it comes to market cap, you know, at some of these levels of 1.5 million. But we can see some more and more potential as long as people do continue to support it and get behind it. So currently, what I'm shooting for right now, the goal for 2022, which I think we will surpass it, is a $1 million market cap, which I think we will surpass that very fast. You know, as long as people stay consistent, we see those burns that are consistent. I'm very transparent, which is something that's different than you see with every other coin. I'm very transparent. I'm out here to talk about exactly what this coin is all about, what the plan is for the future, where we can see the potential and where that can go, and, you know, be a voice for my own coin. I'm losing my voice here. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I mean, that shows the potential, right? You can even see value in this getting up to the $1 billion level at $5,000. $5,000 per coin. If you talk about amazing, talk about phenomenal, that's it. $5,000 per coin, you set a lot of people up for, you know, a ton of success, especially the people that invested in early. Plus, we can burn off a crazy amount of Shiba Inu, right? Because the whole process of this is basically selling maybe 1, 2, or whatever for Shiba Inu. So if you have a bunch that's out there, it's at 150,000 supply, and you could see this get to a level of $100, $200, $300, $5,000, then what you start looking at here is you start applying that to this situation to see exactly where or how much you can burn off. And let's say it's $5,000 for the remainder, or let's control down. Let's say it's $5,000 for the remainder of this time, 7 years. You're basically going to burn off in total $49.3 million if it can stay at that point. That is what's insane. And I don't think we will affect the price in a big way. If we find a place to sell bits and pieces throughout the quarter, right? Because we're selling bits and pieces in order to cover for Shiba. And then it's added into circulation after you do burn Shiba Inu. So it's creating value for both coins, for people that are holding by the dip and also people that are holding Shiba Inu. So this creates a ton of value. And that's why I'm really happy for where this potential can go, and that it's so closely tied to Shiba makes it that much more powerful and that much more potential. So you let me know what you think about the potential of Buy the Dip coin. I wanted to create this video because I haven't done a potential video. I do it for every single cryptocurrency that I'm involved in. What's the potential, where it can go compared to some of these coins that are out there. So at the sake of losing my voice, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want Buy the Dip coin, feel free to go over to PancakeSwap, you know, just select it over here and you'll be able to find Buy the Dip coin in here after you do import the address. And you'll see right now it's worth about $1.93 or so. So definitely check that out. Also follow me on Twitter if you guys want to reach out to me and let me know what Buy the Dip coin is doing for you or how you support it, or if you support SHIB, or if you like any of the things that I post, feel free to follow me on that platform. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.